nothing like smelling Winchester first thing in the morning.
Okay, there they come. Here they come.
First two.
Where?
See them?
Oh yeah. Over the wire.
Yeah.
Call them in.
I don't know how Claudio sees. He's like a fucking hawk.
He couldn't see me get out of the car this morning.
Yeah,
You want gloves?
Yeah,
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
You want gloves? Well, I got gloves.
Gloves for what?
To keep the mosquitoes.
Ah, they'll just eat through them.
Yeah, for me at this point, there's no point because I didn't wear a long sleeve shirt. I should wear a long sleeve shirt.
They already taken so much of my blood, I'm getting lightheaded.
It's gonna be hot.
Yeah. Well, the trick is to have our limit before the sun comes up.
I have it already.
Yeah. Oh, heads up, heads up. Here comes a bunch. Here comes a bunch, guys. Claudio.
Right now, ready?
Michael, you ready? You're coming right in, right in, right in, right in. Right there. Claudio, Claudio, Claudio.
Couple shots to the body.
Oh, wow.
1 for 1, Claudio. Okay, what time is it right now?
6:45.
Beautiful.
Couple on the line back there.
Here comes two more, here comes two more.
No, it looks like they're landing on the line. Nope.
That wire's gonna be so
Right here, right here, right here, right here. Michael, Michael, he's all yours. No, Claudio. Michael, Michael, Michael.
Claudio got him.
That wire's gonna be so loaded when it's
Two more, right there. Claudio, I think he's shooting at a 10 gauge.
Alright guys, we're not missing a single shot today, yes. No one's missed. If you miss, you go home.
I haven't missed one yet.
If you miss, you just walk away.
I definitely just shot a blank, that's all.
Another one just landed on the barn.
All their friends getting shot. Oh yeah.
I don't want no part of that. Here comes two more.
Oh yeah, these guys are
Here
coming.
they come. Look at them. Look, 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 look.
On the wire. Oh,
Two coming in. Nice shooting.
Holy
guys.
fuck, I almost just saw three shots.
Nice shooting, guys. Nice shooting. That's 3.
Hey, to the left, get ready, reload.
Look at the ones behind us.
No, not now.
12 o'clock. Oh yeah, coming hot.
Holy fuck, look at this.
I didn't know which one to fucking
Look,
shoot.
look, look, look what's coming. Look what's coming.
They all landed in the field.
Holy shit. I got one down there.
That one's injured. That one's gonna go down there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, he was just dropped.
He just dropped it.
Look, another
There
bunch.
with
Look,
their
another
flying
bunch.
rod. I could have made it. They were going fast.
Look, another bunch coming in. Here it comes, here it comes. Right here, right here, right here.
Beautiful.
There we go. Four coming right in. Coming right in.
Go ahead, Dave.
Shit, I'm shooting like shit today.
Fuck, Steve.
I'm shooting like shit today.
You shot fucking behind it. What the fuck? Hey, 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 hey. Steve, behind you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're ready.
Don't say out.
So it is.
Whoa, whoa. See that one?
Alrighty.
There we go, nice.
Nice shot. Oh, you hit him. Oh, that was a good shot. That was a good shot. Oh, that was nice. But now that means I gotta go get it, you bastard. Yeah, I'm gonna find it.
Right here in front of you.
Hey, you gotta keep count, okay? Put them all here so we can count them. Right?
Yeah, probably the skin.
Oh, God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh,
my
Claudio!
God.
Claudio!
Oh my God. Look at the left, guys. Look at the left. Look at the left. That's it.
Holy shit! I got one.
Oh! Oh, I nailed that.
I shot it at 2.
Oh, okay. Well, now he's just pulverized then.
Holy shit.
Did you see
How
that?
many of them?
Look behind Claudio. Look behind Claudio. Look behind Claudio.
That's crazy. Well, there's one
Oh,
there.
here comes a bunch. Pigeons coming in. One coming in. Michael, over your head.
Nice shot, Claudio. Well done, Dad.
4 coming in hot right now. Look, pigeon. Look. Guys.
Woo-hoo! Good shooting, guys.
Nice shot, Mateo.
Pick them up, pick them up.
Guys, dead ahead. Look to the left. Don't move. Got that one. Get that one.
Okay, stop fucking shooting them so I have to jump over the river.
It's impossible.
Where are you going?
I gotta go collect fucking Paison's birds.
Thank you. That's real money there. Right there, Michael.
Michael, right over your head.
I can't see the sun.
Yeah.
Right there.
Holy shit. Ah. That's as good as it gets.
Perfect.
I only have like, I'm gonna be honest, I've been shooting a little bit more than I should be, like a madman, but there's so many shots to take. I have almost, now I'm almost shy of the 3 boxes.
Right there. He landed.
Oh, someone shoot it, please, I have no shell. Thank you. I have no shell.
That was my last shell.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, actually, I got one more. Those nice shots.
Good shot. Good shot down, Michael.
Yeah.
Nice. Michael, go ahead.
Thanks, buddy.
Right ahead.
20.
That was gorgeous. That was all 3.
Did we get all 3?
Yep.
Good.
Fuck. I can't reload fast enough. How many did we get there? I got 2 over here. Oh, guys.
Oh, he's dead. Yeah, he's dead.
Good shot.
Some more coming over here.
Two more, guys. Ready? 59!